Python enthusiasts. Today, let's embark on a journey through Python's diverse data types, each with its own story to tell. Python's data types are like characters in a novel, each playing a unique role in shaping the narrative of our programs. Python variable is containers that store values. Let's delve into their world. Numeric data types. Int, integer, the backbone of mathematics in Python, representing whole numbers without decimal points. Float, floating point, these are the decimals in Python's numerical landscape, allowing us to navigate the realm of real numbers. Complex, enter the world of imagination with complex numbers, where real and imaginary parts intertwine to form a captivating mathematical tale. Let's crunch some numbers with Python's numerical heroes. Sequence data types. List, imagine a dynamic list of characters, each waiting to play their part in our program's storyline. Lists are mutable, allowing for dynamic changes as the plot unfolds. Tuple, like ancient scrolls sealed with unbreakable wax, tuples hold a fixed collection of elements, guarding their contents from modification. Range, think of ranges as the countdown to an epic adventure, providing a sequence of numbers to guide us through loops and iterations. Sequences are the backbone of Python's narrative, shaping the plot of our programs. String sequence type. str, strings are the storytellers of Python, weaving tales of messages, names, and emotions with every character they hold. Immutable yet powerful, strings bring life to our code with their vivid narratives. Let's give voice to our programs with Python's captivating strings. Mapping type. Dict, dictionaries are the architects of data, organizing key-value pairs into a structured blueprint for our programs. Mutable and versatile, dictionaries offer a powerful tool for accessing and manipulating data. Let's build a world of data with Python's ingenious dictionaries. Set types. Sets are the explorers of Python's universe, venturing into uncharted territories to discover unique elements. Mutable and dynamic, sets offer a refreshing perspective on data organization. Frozen set, like ancient relics preserved in ice, frozen sets offer an immutable glimpse into the past, capturing unique elements for eternity. Let's embark on a voyage of discovery with Python's adventurous sets. Boolean type. Booleans are the guardians of truth in Python's domain, guiding the flow of logic with their unwavering convictions. True or false, these binary sentinels hold the keys to decision-making in our programs. Let's navigate the paths of logic with Python's steadfast Booleans. Congratulations! You've now uncovered the mysteries of Python's data types, each with its own role to play in the grand narrative of programming. As you continue your journey, remember to embrace the diversity of Python's data types and unleash their full potential in your code.